You know, Fifth Third Bank announced a year ago it would close more than 100 branches, 21 of those in Ohio, 6 in Indiana, and 5 in Kentucky, among other states. And in late May, Fifth Third CEO said more branches could close in the future, too. So we have Nathan Bachrach from Simply Money kind of breaking down what the deal is. And I think there's a transition in banking. I also read an article about Bank of America doing the very same thing.
Yeah, well, 4 out of 10 Americans don't even visit a branch within 6 months. All right, think about that. You can go 6 months without ever going into a branch. That's a fabulous statistic. Tellers, all right, this is a study, a bank study. Tellers are now only handling 42% of deposits.
Wow.
That's a huge number. In 2007, right before we had the financial crash, you walked into a teller, you handed them your money, and it accounted for about 90% of all financial transactions.
So what I would imagine the bank is seeing this. It's saying we have to reinvent the way we do business. And in that vein, I mean, it's changing.
Oh, they're reinventing it. Think about it. It used to be you go to an ATM, you put in your card, you pull out some money. 25 years ago, you didn't think that that would revolutionize how it is that you've done banking. But now think about this. Why do you go into a bank? You go into a bank maybe to get a loan, maybe to set up an account. Other than that, here's where all your banking is taking place, right here on your phone. This is your new bank, and here's the deal. You talk to a teller and you ask them to handle a deposit. That costs the bank 65 cents.
Wow.
65 cents. Go to an ATM, it costs 8 cents. Do it on your phone, it costs 3 cents. Now, unfortunately, Dan, I will tell you something. It doesn't mean your fees are going down at the bank. It does mean, however, that in a slow economy like we have now, banks are finding ways to be more profitable. And unfortunately, I think it also affects the ability to start at the bottom of the bank, take deposits, meet customers, work your way up to the top. No, the jobs now are going to change to technology, computers, customer service, loans, but no longer the person who sits there and says hi and starts peeling out $20 bills to you. No, they got a machine out back that'll be happy to do that for you.
Well, you are clearly way smarter at this than I am, but I would imagine this is only going to continue. We talked about Fifth Third and Bank of America, but you're going to see this with other institutions as well.
Yeah. Welcome to your new bank. Learn to love it, but don't do it over Wi-Fi. Do it at home in a secure network.
All right, tip of the week, my friend.
Road trippers, we're all going somewhere this summer, okay? Road trippers will show you where to get good hotels, places to eat, and what I happen to like, really nice, weird stuff along the way that you might not normally have thought. You know, you may make a right turn, go down the road and go, wow, I didn't know that waterfalls can go up. I mean, I'm kidding, but you're going to see some stuff that you'll talk about once you get back. Road trippers, that would be the app for everybody heading out this summer.